uses conductors and insulators. And obviously you prefer electrical energy. But you have to remember, Big Bang is the master of all forms of energy, not just electrical. And there's another form of energy that uses conductors and insulators that you may know about. I'm talking about heat energy. Heat energy, like electrical energy, conducts really well through metals. Look, there's Super Conductor now. Let's peek in and see what he's doing. Look, Super Conductor has a copper pipe, a beaker of water, a thermometer, and a blowtorch. Wow! Super Conductor has some really cool materials over there, doesn't he? But what do you think would happen if he took that really long copper tube and put one end in that container of water that has a thermometer in it? And then he used the blowtorch to heat the other side. Let's take a look. This could take a while. As superconductor heats the metal, the atoms begin to vibrate faster because they have more kinetic energy. They hit the atoms next to them, making them vibrate faster too. Eventually, they increase the speed of vibration of the atoms in the water, making the temperature rise. If you said that the temperature of the water would rise, then you would be correct. This happens because as superconductor heats the other side of the copper tube, it gets really, really hot. And copper is a good conductor of heat energy. That means that hot area, the heat energy from it travels down the copper tube and into the water, making the temperature go up. We use conductors and insulators for heat energy all the time. For example, when I have a bad day at work, all I can think about is going home